Hello there and welcome to Klaviyo's quick guide on creating your very first email campaign. So whether you are new to email marketing or just new to Klaviyo, we have got you covered. And by the end of this video, you will be ready to stand out on your first email campaign with confidence. So now, let's dive in. But before we jump into the steps, let's talk about what an email campaign is and why it's important. An email campaign is a targeted message sent to a specific group of people to achieve a goal like promoting a sales or sharing news or nurturing customer relationships. It's one of the effective ways to connect with your audience, drive engagement, and grow your business. So now that you have known why campaigns matter, let's walk through the step-by-step of processing or creating one in Klaviyo. So first, you need to do is log into your Klaviyo account, then you will be welcomed to your Klaviyo's dashboard. And on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the option of campaigns. So simply click this, and here it says there are two options, which says guide me through my first campaign and build your own. So we are going to build from the scratch. So we are going to simply click this build your own option. Then you will be asked to choose a campaign name. So for now, in this tutorial, I'm saying this as the first campaign. Let me quickly fill this out. Then you will be also asked to choose a draft date, which is okay. Then you will be asked to choose the type. So there are three types here you can see on the screen. First is email, second is setup SMS, and the push. So for this tutorial, I'm simply choosing this email type. And after that, simply click on this continue, as you can see on the screen. And now here, you will be asked to send the list or segment. So make sure you select the appropriate list or segment which you want to send to so that it doesn't go to your spam folder. So for this tutorial, I'm simply selecting this email list, and there you have it. After that, simply click on this next option, which is on the top right corner. And there you have it. So then you will be asked to put a subject line or preview text. But before jumping into the design, it's important to have your content ready. And this includes your subject line, pre-header text, body copy, and call to action. For example, let's just say that we are creating campaign for a summer sale. So here is a quick demo what your script might look like. So this is the design or script that I have created. So all you need to do is simply put the subject line or pre-header text into the Klaviyo's all header. So let me just quickly fill this out. And there you have it. And in the screen, you can see there is the option of view template library. So simply click this and you will get a lot of templates that Klaviyo has to offer to you. So you can even choose from these templates, or even you can create from the scratch. So for this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create from the scratch. So for that, all you need to do is simply click this create option. So simply click this. And there you have it. So then after that, you will be directed into this page, and you can design your emails in Figma or also in Canva, or you can directly design it in Klaviyo itself. But I will suggest you guys to design it from the Figma or Canva, so it makes it much easier. And also you can import or replace images and logos as per you want. And also don't forget to include a clear call to action like shop now or learn more, and always preview your email to make sure it looks great on both desktop and mobile. So all you need to do is simply go on to this option for the mobile view and for this to the desktop view. So next, you need to add to your brand logos, colors, and fonts to make the email feel personal and on brand. So Klaviyo's editor makes it easy to customize every element with just drag and drop. For example, you can add a hero image and insert your own pre-written copy and place your call to action buttons exactly where you want them to be. So here is a pro tip. Don't forget to add links to your image, and if you're using product photos, you can make them clickable by adding a link. For example, let me just show you how to add image. So I want to add my company's logo first, and for that, I simply want to click this image block and simply drag and drop it here, just like this. And then you can even upload an image. You can simply go and click this select image, and this is the photo that I want to keep. So it looks perfect, and I want to simply select this, and there you have it. And for adding the link, you can see here, there is this option called link address, and you can simply add your business link or your pages link in this one. So after that, you have added your link address to your image. The same goes for the buttons. So if you have a shop now button, which is also a call to action button, link it to your product collection or landing page. And this ensures your audience can easily take action directly from your email. So once you have added all your links, use Klaviyo's preview mode to test them and click them through each link to make sure they are working correctly. And this ensures your audience has a seamless experience when they interact with your email. And once your design matches your Figma mockup, all links are added and everything looks perfect. And you are ready to move on to the next step. After that, the next step is to track your results. And after your campaign goes out, head over to the Analytics tab, which you can see on the screen is on the left-hand side. So simply click on this Analytics tab as you can see on the screen. And from here, you can click your open rates and click-through rates and conversions. And this data will help you improve your next campaign. And remember, email marketing is all about testing and learning. Don't be afraid to experiment with different subject lines, designs, and even sending times. And that's it. You have just created your first email campaign in Klaviyo. So are you ready to take your email marketing to the next level? So log into Klaviyo and start creating your campaign today. Thanks for watching and happy emailing. See you guys in the next video.